Hi, this is a quick guide to our software. The SimRacing Cockpit App uses a 100Hz game data readout to allow for the fastest reaction time. If you start up our software, it should look somewhat like this, and if you now connect your seat, this icon on the top right should turn to seat connected. As soon as you start up a supported game, it should be recognized by our software. By default, each game has two profiles, an immersive one and a competitive one. Our immersive profiles have all effects turned on, while in the competitive profile you only have ABS and wheel slip. And the intensity is set by experienced sim racers and esportlers to give you the best impressions out of our seat haptics. To change the intensity of each effect, you can simply do this by moving this slider. To build your own setup and set the effects, you simply click on the Create button and will get a clean setup with every effect turned off to start with. Let's say, for example, you have pedals which have the ability to give you a feedback for traction control or ABS via a shaker motor. You won't need to have the same effects on our seat haptics. So to quickly change that, copy the immersive profile by clicking on this icon, give the effects profile a new name, set the author, and select the game which you're going to play. Now you can head over to Custom, select your new profile, and then adjust the settings. With this icon you can turn off an effect immediately and also do it for the back. Don't forget to save to have your settings adjusted. To adjust the effect's strength and the zones, head on to this button and then you can move the sliders according to your liking. The setup files which you create can also be exported, can be edited and deleted. To see which version you're currently using, you can head over to the menu, click onto Settings, and you can find the current version. When you start our software, you have the option to do a small onboarding which gives you a brief explanation about the functionality and the settings you can make with our software. If there's an update available, you will see this pop-up show up and you can just start the update by clicking on the button. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord server and we can help you there.